Good morning, students. Today, students, we will start a new chapter, that is lesson number 8, decimals. Decimal numbers are what? Basically, the decimal numbers are the fractional numbers which have denominator 10, 100, 1000 are called decimal numbers. Clear? And for that, we have done in the previous classes also the place value chart. Place value chart is just like this, that in the center there will come point. Clear? And here the places are, before the point is the ones, then comes tens, then comes 100, and after point there will be a place of decimal numbers. Clear? Means before decimal there is a whole number come, and after decimal there will come decimal numbers. So the first place will be of tenth. Tenth means 1 by 10. Hundredth means 1 by 100. Thousandth means 1 by 1000. Clear? I have taken one example, 3.145. How can I write in words? I can write it like this manner: 3.145. Clear? This is a way in writing the in words. Clear? Now we will start the chapter, and this one table you have to make in the maths copy. Mean when you start this chapter, firstly you mention the name of the chapter, lesson 8, decimals, then you make this table. Okay? Then we will proceed with the exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1, question number 1 is write the following as numbers in the given table. Now in A part, there is given tens. How many tens are there? 3. So you write 3 in tens place. How many ones are there? 1. How many tenth are there? 2. So you write like this manner. Clear? So answer will be 3.31.2, because after 1 point will come. Clear? Now B part. How many hundreds are there? Only 1. How many tenths are there? Only 1. How many tenth are there? There are 4, and there is no 1, so you put a 0 here. Clear? Like this manner you complete question number 1 in the book only. Clear? Similarly, we do question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following decimal in a place value table. So what you do, I will do question number 2 for you. Question number 2, I will make a table. Question you will write full, then you have to make a table like this manner: first, second, third, and fourth. Clear? So this is 100, this is tens, this is ones. Clear? Then come tenth, then come hundredth. So we need only like this manner. Clear? Now 19.4. So how you write? In the center you can put a point also. Clear? 19. So how you write? 1 in tens place and 9 in ones place, and 4 you write on tenth place. This is a A part. Clear? Now we do the B part. B part is 0.3. So 0.3. C part 10. 1 0.6. Clear? Now D part, you have to put it the numbers in a place value table only. 205.9. Clear? Like this manner we do question 2. Now we do question 3. Write each of the following as a decimal. Now to us, fraction form answer given, we have to write in a decimal. So see how we do question 3. You will mention question 3 like this manner. You will write like this manner, write decimal. Now see, 7th, 10th. You have to write in a decimal. Firstly, you write in a fraction form, it will be 7/10, and there is a 1 0 only, so decimal will come after one number. This will be the answer. Clear? 10th place is first place after point. Clear? Now we do B part. What is the B part now? B part is 2 tenths and 9 tenth. 9 tenth. Clear? So how we can write it? 2 tenths means 2 into 10. and means plus. 9/10, 9/10 means 9 upon 10. It will becomes 20 plus, convert it in a decimal form, it will be 0.9. So your answer will be 20 point. C part is 14.6. So there's already point is there, so we write 14.6 directly. I am writing the answer of it. So now we do D part. D part is 102 ones. 100 and 2 ones. How can I write? 100 means 100 and means plus 2 ones. 2 ones means 2 into 1. 100 plus 2. 2 ones are 2. So answer will be 102. Clear? Now we do after D part E part 600.8. So you write 600.8. You can write it directly because point is already written. Clear? Now students, we do question number 4. Question number 4 is write each of the following as a decimal. So A part 5/10. How can we write it? We can write it 0.5 because first place after decimal is of 10th. So answer will be 0.5. Directly we can write. It's a simple one. P part 3 plus 7/10. So firstly we convert the fractional number in a decimal form. How? 7/10 will be 0.7. So it will be 3.7. Now C part. C part is 200 plus 60 plus 5. 200 plus 60 plus 5 and after that plus 10 written plus 1/10. So how we write? 200 plus 60 plus 5, it will be 265 plus, how can we convert 1/10? It will be 0.1. So answer will be 265.1. Clear? Now we have done till C part. Now we do D part. D part is 70 plus 8/10. So we convert firstly the decimal form. 70 as it is come, 8/10 will be 0.8 and it will be 70.8. Clear? Now we do E part. E part is 88/10. Firstly we write it like this manner, 80 plus 8. This is a different form upon 10. Now we divide both the numbers by 10. 80 we divide by 10, 8 we divide by 10. When you divide it, it comes 8 plus 8/10 will be 0.8. So answer will be 8.8. Clear? Similarly we do F part. F part is 4 2/10. So how we can write 4 2/10? 4 will come as it is plus 2/10 will be written as 0.2. So answer will be 4.2. Clear? Now we do G part. 3/2. So now see, there is written 3/2. Down there is not a 10. So how can you write it? 3/2. You have to multiply with any number so that down 10, 100,000 become. So what I will do? Multiply with 5. Up also. 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. Now 15. We can write it like this manner. 10 plus 5 upon 10. Then we write 10/10 plus 5/10. It will becomes 1 plus 0.5. That will be 1.5. Clear? I have done G part. Now we do H part. H part and I part you do by yourself because you have to multiply both the numbers by 2 only. Then same step which you have followed in G. Now I do J part. 3, 3 by 5. So this 3 will come as it is, plus 3 by 5 you have to multiply with 2. Clear? It will become 3 plus 6 by 10. So it will be written as 3 plus 0.6, which will be equals to 3.6. Clear, students? So which one part left, that will be the homework for you. You have to complete till question 2. Okay? So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.